Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub. I am Shovraj Pal and I am going to show you how to install IDE and compiler for your laptop or your PC today. So let's get started. So hi friends, now we are going to install our IDE. Firstly, we need to tell about IDE, what is a IDE, why you will need a IDE for coding. So as you can see in my desktop, I have a sort of IDEs like Dev C++, IntelliJ IDE, and Visual Studio Code, and also PyCharm also. So PyCharm is dedicated for Pythons, and Dev C++ is dedicated for. As we can see that we are in Google Chrome, and just now we are going to type Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I have a suggestion here. Here we go. So as you can see that we are in the browser now, and we have search results of Visual Studio Codes. As you can see that the picture here, and Visual Studio Code editing here, and the download Visual Studio Code, we have to click on here and wait a bit. So after getting into that, you can have that Windows option, .deb option, and .rpm option, which is for the Ubuntu and the Linux forms, and here is for Mac versions. So according to your system, you just have to download this by clicking here, and you just click here. Now we just have to install that IDE from this one, as we have the Windows version in our PC. So you can see that here we have three options: user installer, system installer, and .zip, and that means either you can install the zip file of it, or the system installer, or user installer. I think you can install the system installer or the user installer, because if you install that zip file, you may have some trouble, and so that I would recommend you to use the user installer version, and according to your bit version, 64-bit or 32-bit, according to your PC, you have to choose it. Okay, you just click on that, wait a bit, and as you can see that we have the thank you message from the VS Code, and you can see the Visual Studio Code in actions, how it look like, and another installations which you may do when you are in advanced stage. So that's it guys. So as you can see, here is my installation is going on, and when it is done, you just open it up. So just open when done. Okay, then you just need to install that. Now we need to install WinGW compiler for our PC. It is a very helpful compiler. I should recommend this for the beginners. And now, as you can see, we are in the web page of the WinGW. So now, here is the WinGW page, and now we need to install it. So we just need to click on this option. So here is the WinGW homepage, and as you can see, we need to just download this from here. So as you can see, this is for 32 and 64 bit, both are available here. So here my task is added here, and it is showing 2 minutes left. So after when it is done, I just open it up. So just tap, you should tap the open when it's done, and you. So as you can see, I have already downloaded these two. VS Code and the MinGW 64-bit installer, and we just need to install this in our PC. So it is truly so easy. I think I don't need to show you how to install it. You can do it in yourself, and after installing, we will continue. So my installation is done, and as you can see I have the icon here, Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to show you my MinGW. Now I'm going to show you my MinGW installation. As you can see, I have already MinGW installation done here. Now we are going to implement our compiler, and then we will start coding. So firstly, you have to open up environment variable. So first we need to go to our computer here, my computer, and then go to your C drive, and now open up your program files, and then you just have to search for MinGW. Here is it, and just open the next folder, open the MinGW32 folder, then the bin folder, and now you just have to copy the path. Just Control C and copy. Now shutting this down, you need to go to taskbar and search for environment variable. Here is the environment variable, edit the system environment variable. So you just click on it, and as you can see, here is the settings, and you just need to edit the environment variable. So click on that, and now you just need to add one, and then Control V, paste the variable here, and just okay. As I have already done this before, so I am not doing this. In this way you can implement the path of your compiler. So after doing this, you are ready to go. Now you just need to open up your IDE. So as you can see, we have the window here. It is a welcome window from the VS Code. For the first time it would take a little bit of time. You should wait for it, and now we are just clicking this out, and now we just have to make a new file. So we have to go to files and then new files. So now you have to open a file, new file. So here is files, you can tap here, and after this you just have to type your name. So now I am going to type name of a file. Let's say, let's take it my name. Okay, so dot c. Okay, enter. So as you can see, here is the file. It is opened up here, and you just need to code here. So let's start coding. Hash include within bracket stdio dot h, then int main closing parenthesis, and here is the body. So we need to type our code here. So let's say a simple code. Semicolon, and return type nil. So now we are going to compile and run this code. So here is the output here, which is giving us the hello world printout. So it is the simplest code here to introduce you with the C programming. Now, as you can see, it is truly so easy. So I think you also get this output. If there is any problem, feel free to ask me on the comment box below, and we will meet in the next video. Hope now you know how to install a compiler and a IDE for your laptop or your PC. And if there is any problem in your installation, then let me know in the comment box below. If it is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this with your friends. So have a good day guys, and stay home and stay safe.